Alright, I'm gonna do a standardized video instead of a YouTube short because this is more important for a video than a YouTube short. We're at the New Bridge landing station. The next video, I'm gonna be at fucking Anderson Street for one reason and one reason only. Safe train gate mechanism. If we go to here, you may realize something strange. Okay, there's plants everywhere, whatever. You may realize there's cones and there's a bunch of, like, yellow tape things everywhere. And it's going on the whole parking lot. If you're wondering what's going on here, well, they're closing off the parking lot. They're closing it at 4 p.m. And then when they close it off, they're going to start drilling the entire station, and they're going to lift the platform and renovate it to be, they're going to make this raised platform with the signs that show the schedule and stuff. So I'm going to wait for a train to come. It's going to be the last train I'm going to be getting on the old station. And then when they renovate this in Anderson Street, I'm going to do a video on that. And yes, I'm also going to Anderson Street. This is southbound, coming in 1 minute, so I'm going to keep recording. Feel free to, skip to the part when the train comes whenever you want, because there's no point of pausing. It's going to come any second now, so. Oh, my shadow doesn't show on camera. Oh, I can hear the crossing over there. Oh, damn it, I was late. Is there any stuff on the gate? Nope, there's no National Electric Gate Company. Hope these signals don't get replaced with the upgrade. I will be pretty upset if that happens. Especially these WCH mechanical bells. Oh, we got a Metro North. Rise. I said rise. Rise before I throw a pizza at you. Before they rise, let me just look at this real quick. Take a look inside. Is it gross in there? Because I really do not want to be inside there. I don't know why the crossing gates aren't rising. It did this to me at River Edge. That one video where there were the Canadian wildfires, and I had to cut parts of the video out because there's copyright music playing on the car thing. You think you're faster than me? I'll walk down the platform one last time before this all gets turned into a high-rise upgraded platform. Let's get all this, blocking everything off. You got, oh, that was always there. Before I head off and go back, actually, no, there's a train coming in 20 minutes, around roughly 20 minutes, so. It's down at Anderson Street by now. Get a good picture at it. Well, It was nice it was a nice time at the station. It's a really big shame that they're gonna renovate this. This is one of my favorite stations as a kid. I used to come here and see the choo-choo trains coming by. I always get excited. It's kind of sad that they're knocking this all down. They're putting something new up. They're gonna be getting rid of all these poles, putting high-rise platforms, getting rid of this thing. I'm just doing walking here one last time. That's the station one last time. Look at the, yep. Oh, there's a school bus over there for Jay if he wants to see that. And being a Roblox gamer. Oh, there it goes. Well, I don't know if that's the last time I'm gonna see these things, because these do appear to be on new concrete bases. These do appear to be very new. I hope these signals don't get replaced with the upgrade. It shouldn't. They look new actually, even though they have mechanical bells. They're still pretty new. They're same signals as River Edge. Yeah, they're the same as River Edge, so they hopefully shouldn't be replaced, like late 2000s. So, all right, see ya, Anderson Street. See ya. I think we put the control panel up there. Got it. Sorry for the back, a bit like quiet. There's a lot of people here, and Hackensack is not the place you want to see a 5'2" person, because this town makes me nervous. This Hackensack makes me very nervous. There's so many people looking at me, wondering why the fuck I'm recording. It makes me very uncomfortable. Oh, it's a little bit of a dangerous. I think it's kind of dangerous, but not too dangerous. All the crossings down there. I think I'm gonna stay here to be safe. Oh, all right. So I think I'm okay talking here, but so as of now, I don't see anything going on here. Even though it did say that they are that Indy Transit was given like $18 billion or something to work on Newbridge and Anderson Street. So there is being changes made here, I'm pretty sure, but there hasn't been any progress yet. They're probably doing one at a time. So first they're gonna do Newbridge, and once they finish, they're gonna do Anderson Street. So I think I'm only here just in case I don't come back before they just close the station off. Oh, there's one of the crossings. You can see the lights activating. Yep, there's one of the other light doesn't seem to be activating down there. I only see that one. Oh, it's the multi-level. I forgot it's the multi-level that comes around this time. Oh, there's the other crossing. Oh, the truck's blocking us now. Wait for that crossing to activate. Start zooming out. There's that one.
Hey, how you doing?
We have one more. Only one more crossing left. There we go. I got you. Come on, keep going. Good job. Is the old stripping underneath? Probably. Fast ringing, safe turn mechanical bells also. It's at that crossing, it's just this one. Please do not shatter my eardrums. Okay. closing the doors. Got a tiny peek inside the multi-levels. This is very nice, actually. The multi-level only comes, it only comes at, I normally see it at River Edge. At River Edge, it comes at 225. Here, I guess it comes at that time. Oh, no, you're not faster than me. Damn it.